Hello everyone, I am Ayushi from BBA Semester 6 and my International Business Management PPT is on the topic Introduction to International Business. First, we will discuss what is international business. International business can be defined as commercial transactions that occur beyond the national boundaries. All the commercial transactions can include sales, investments, and transportation. When a company, for example, when a company sells products in the US, Japan, and throughout the Europe. International business is also known as global business. And the other definition of international business can be the organization that buys or sells goods and services across two or more national boundaries, even if the management is located in a single country. Now we will discuss about nature of international business. The first one is international restrictions. There are many countries whose government do not allow international business into their country, and they oftenly have trade blocks, tariff barriers, and foreign exchange restrictions, etc. And these things are oftenly harmful for international business. The next nature is benefits to participating countries. International business gives benefits to the countries which are participating in it. The richer, for example, the richer or developed countries grow their business to the global level and they get maximum benefits. And the companies that are developing gets the latest technology, foreign capital, employment opportunities and rapid industrial development. This helps developing countries in developing their economy. The next nature of international business is large scale operations. International business contains a large number of operations at a time because it is conducted on a large scale globally. The next is integration of economies. International business combines the economies of many countries. The companies use finance, labor, resources, etc. of the country in which they are working. The next nature is dominated by developed countries. International business is dominated by developed countries and their MNCs. For example, countries like USA, Europe, and Japan all are the countries that are producing high quality products and have people working for them on high salaries. The next nature is market segmentation. International business is based on market segmentation on the basis of geographical segmentation of the consumers. The market is divided into groups according to the demand of the consumers in different countries. The next and the last nature is sensitive nature. International business is highly affected by economic policies, political environment, technology, etc. It can play a positive role to improve the business and can also be negative for the business. Now we will discuss the features of the international business. The features are large scale operations, integration of economies, focus by developed countries and MNCs, benefits to participating countries, keen competition, and special role of technology. As the business happens globally, so there are large scale operations, many technologies, and many MNCs and countries that are participating into it. Now we'll discuss about the importance of international business. These are the some important importance of a business that happens globally is in- increased socio-economic welfare. It opens new opportunities. It gives new technologies, optimum utilization of resources, provides quality products. It helps in earning foreign exchange and also helps in high living standards. That's all from my side. Thank you very much.